Hello, friends! Today, we are comparing powerful and stylish blenders that will make your work in the kitchen easier. If you want to prepare a healthy smoothie or protein shake in the morning, this video is for you. Let's take a look at the features of the different models and decide which one is the best for you. First, let's talk about the Nutribullet Ultra. This blender stands out with its compact and stylish design. Its 1200-watt motor can easily crush even hard ingredients. It can easily work with ingredients such as ice, nuts, carrots. But its biggest advantage is that it works silently. You can easily prepare your smoothie in the morning without disturbing anyone. In addition, you get smoother mixtures thanks to its stainless steel blades. And yes, it is also very practical to clean, because the blades and containers can be washed in the dishwasher. However, if you want to prepare large portions, it may be a bit insufficient and you cannot make hot drinks. But it is a great option for daily use. Now let's take a look at the Chefman Obliterator. This model really delivers a powerful performance. With 1,380 watts of power, it can grind ice and hard ingredients with almost no noise. Moreover, with its 48-ounce capacity, it is ideal for large families or those who want to prepare larger portions. It also has an auto-blend function, which automatically analyzes your ingredients and determines the most suitable blending speed. You can also work with hot liquids. However, it takes up a little more space and may be suitable for those who have more space on their kitchen counter. Our next blender is the Vitamix Propel Series 750. This model offers a truly professional-level performance. Its 2.2 horsepower motor can easily smooth even the toughest ingredients. With its 64-ounce capacity, it is ideal for large groups. Thanks to its 5 automatic programs, you can always reach the perfect consistency, especially great for those who like smoothies and hot soups. However, it is important to keep in mind that the noise level can be a bit high at times. If you're looking for high performance and durability, the Vitamix is definitely your favorite. And of course, we should not forget the Breville the Fresh and Furious. This blender is a real all-rounder. It works efficiently thanks to its 1,100-watt motor, but with its LCD screen and multiple speed options, you have complete control. In addition, thanks to the VAC-Q trademark vacuum technology, your smoothies will be smoother and creamier. In other words, this model is a very enjoyable product to use with its stylish design and multiple speed options. And now, the Ninja BL770 is, as its name suggests, a mega system. With a 1,500-watt motor, it can really handle everything. It can be used both as a food processor and a blender. In other words, it can not only prepare drinks, but also knead dough and do chopping operations. If you're looking for a multifunctional device, the Ninja BL770 is ideal. Of course, it is a bit bigger and heavier, but if you're looking for a product for large families, it is definitely an option you should look at. And finally, the Vitamix Ascent X4. This model will really be a reliable helper in your kitchen. It easily grinds hard ingredients with its 2.2 horsepower motor. Thanks to the digital timer and self-detect technology, you get perfect results every time. In addition, the self-cleaning feature makes cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a long-lasting and professional appliance, the Vitamix Ascent X4 is a great choice. In conclusion, each blender has its own advantages. If you're looking for a quiet and compact option, the Nutribullet Ultra is great. For larger portions, you can choose the Chefman Obliterator or the Vitamix Propel Series 750. If you want an all-rounder, the Ninja BL770 or the Breville the Fresh and Furious are worth considering. And if your budget is a bit more flexible, the Vitamix Ascent X4 is a great option for professional use. Which blender's right for you? I look forward to hearing from you in the comments.